Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by installing a reliable parser like Sheet.js and loading it into your environment. This gives you read and write utilities. Once done, access the Excel source. In the browser, grab a file object from an input, and in Node use fs. Read file sync for the Xlsx buffer. Make sure to choose whether you'll convert one sheet or every sheet in the workbook, because that determines how you iterate and name output JSON objects. Now parse the buffer into a workbook object to begin. Once you have a workbook, iterate its sheet names and call utils. Sheet to JSON for each sheet to extract rows as objects. You'll pass options: header to control keys, defal to fill missing cells, and raw or date NF to handle date serials correctly. This makes output predictable. Convert each row to your desired shape, rename keys, coerce numbers and booleans, or nest arrays for grouped fields. Make sure to aggregate multiple sheets into a single object or separate files, depending on your ape. To finish, stringify the assembled object with JSON. Stringify and either write it to disk in Node or create a blob and trigger a download in the browser. Pretty print with indentation for readability. For large workbooks, stream or chunk rows to avoid running out of memory, and consider CSV intermediate for extreme sizes. If things go wrong, check common pitfalls. Excel date serials require conversion, headers may shift if empty first rows exist, and encoding or hidden columns can alter output. Fix by normalizing headers and parsing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.